Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Jeep Wrangler's four-wheel drive system. First, familiarize yourself with the different modes: two-wheel drive high, four-wheel drive high, and four-wheel drive low. For light off-roading, snow, or slippery roads, engage four-wheel drive high. You can typically shift into four-wheel drive high while moving at speeds up to 55 miles per hour, but always consult your owner's manual for specific instructions. When facing more challenging terrain like steep inclines, deep mud, or rock crawling, you'll want to engage four-wheel drive low. To do this safely, bring your Jeep to a complete stop, shift the transmission into neutral, and then firmly pull the transfer case lever into the four-wheel drive low position. Remember to keep your speeds very low, typically under 5 miles per hour, when operating in this mode. It's crucial to remember that four-wheel drive is not for everyday street driving. Using it on dry, paved surfaces can cause severe damage to your drivetrain components. Always practice engaging and disengaging your four-wheel drive system in a safe, open area before tackling any serious off-road adventures. This ensures you're comfortable and confident when it truly matters, keeping you and your Jeep safe. Proper maintenance is key to a reliable four-wheel drive system. Regularly check your differential and transfer case fluids and consider an annual professional inspection to catch any potential issues early. This proactive approach will extend the life of your Jeep's four-wheel drive components. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.